Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report chart appraisals on Thursday the 18th of December with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. I'm going to move on to cable now, and sterling has been flying around in the last few days actually, really. Strongly lower, strongly higher, strongly lower, and it's rebounding again today. Yesterday's move was obviously on the back of that Fed meeting result that basically suggested that risk was fairly well on in the markets, and the dollar started to strengthen on the back of that and pulled cable lower. However, there has been support that's come in at the range lows once again. That range low at 55.40 has been supported, and today what we've seen is the retail sales for the UK in the last few minutes has come out strongly beating expectations, cable spiking higher, and we're looking like it's pushing up once again within the range. Now, I said in the morning report that I think you should continue to play the range, and it looks to be the case really. We've been in this range now, God, that's moving out for over a month, over around about 5 weeks. It's sort of been trading within this range, and there's no real trend within it. The moving averages are all basically neutral. It's difficult to say, and even the RSI, I said yesterday that you should trade the RSI with moving up towards 70 and buying, and then selling it off, and then back towards 30, and then that gives you the buy signal again. That seems to have worked once again. So it seems to be that trading this range on cable is working at the moment. And we're back towards the middle of the range now. There's a band of resistance that comes in around about that 56.60 mark. A few old lows, a little bit of congestion resistance intraday a couple of days ago, and then the spike high has hit 56.60 so far. I don't necessarily think this move is done yet, and I think it's just playing within this range. But at the moment, what you would say is maybe if you're going to be playing long on the long side, I'd be a little bit cautious, because I still think that there is a tendency for this cable chart to be breaking lower, because I think the outlook remains on the negative side, certainly on the daily chart. Definitely looking at the momentum indicators anyway, and I think ultimately that would be a drag on cable to the downside. But for the very near term, we're playing on the upside because the cable's moving to the upside because of this retail sales data, but I don't think it's going to be pushing too much further necessarily before I think the sort of selling pressure might start to come back in again in light of that Fed meeting yesterday. So yes, 56.60 is the initial resistance, and then above around about that 57.20, 57.30 area is where we start to see the next key band of resistance intraday. So I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today, and I will speak to you later.